Did you know that you can use video conferencing tools like Blackboard Collaborate to record lectures without your students even being present? All you have to do is create a session within Blackboard Collaborate, upload your lecture or PowerPoint presentation, and record just like you would if your students were actually there. And then what you can do when you're finished recording your presentation is you can actually go back into Blackboard, download the presentation, and upload it to another medium like YouTube in order to add captions and make it accessible. This video is going to walk you through that process. To get started, go to the Blackboard course shell that has the video recording of your lecture. Scroll to the bottom of the left-hand navigation bar, open the Course Tools menu, and select Blackboard Collaborate Ultra. Once this screen loads, click on the hamburger menu in the top left-hand corner to access your recordings. Find the recording in which you'd like to download and click the button with the 3 dots on the right-hand side, and then select Download. Once you select this, your video will begin downloading to your computer. Now that we've downloaded our lecture from Blackboard Collaborate, the next step is uploading the video to YouTube. To do this, navigate to youtube.com and log in using your account or create a new one. Once you're logged in, select the Upload Video button in the right-hand corner. It looks like a video camera with a plus sign. Select the Upload Video option. Once you get to this screen, either drag and drop or search for the file of the video. Locate your MP4 file, select Choose, and it will begin to upload. On the next screen, you'll be asked a number of details such as the title, a description if you'd like to add it. You can also add a thumbnail, and there will be a variety of other options as well. All of these can be updated at a later time. Once you've added the details needed, select Next. You'll be asked if you'd like to add any video elements such as an end screen or cards. If you do not like to add these, just select Next. And the last option will be visibility. Would you like to publish the video as private so only you can see it, unlisted so anyone with the link can see it, or public? Once you've selected your options, select Publish. You'll now see that your video is being published. Sometimes this could take anywhere from 5 minutes to an hour. It really depends on the length of your video. Now that we've completed our video upload, we'll be brought back to our channel dashboard, or a page that looks like the one you see here. To see if your video has finished publishing, you can click on the Videos icon in the left-hand navigation bar. This will bring you to a page that shows you all of your channel videos. As we can see, the sample captioning video has been uploaded publicly and has been published. Now let's move on to the captions. To get started, let's click on the Subtitles button in the left-hand navigation bar. The video we're going to be looking at today is the sample captioning video, so let's go ahead and click on that. Now when you upload a video to YouTube, in most cases, YouTube will actually automatically generate subtitles for you. Depending on the length of your video, this could take anywhere from 5 to 10 times the length of the video. As an example, the video that I had today was 1 minute in length, but it took about an hour for these captions to be generated. So as you can see here, this first line says English Automatic, and it was published automatically. So these are the generated captions from YouTube. If we'd like to take a look at these and edit these, we can do that as well. To look at and edit the captions that were automatically created by YouTube, hover over the automatic line and select the 3 dots. This will bring up additional options. In this case, we're going to select Edit on Classic Studio. As you can see here, it will bring up your video as well as the timing and the captions. To edit the captions, select the Edit button from the top of the page. When you get to this page, you can select the Play button to begin playing through the captions. You'll be able to stop and make changes as needed.
Good morning.
Everybody, this is an example of how you can use Blackboard Collaborate to record your own lectures without actually having students in the Collaborate room. While Blackboard Collaborate is a great tool for live sharing and doing synchronous sessions, you can always go into your Blackboard shell and create a session and just go in and share a presentation or a video and lecture yourself without your students actually being present. As you can see, the captions are pretty accurate, but there is no punctuation. So if that's something that you'd like to add, all you have to do is highlight the section that you'd like to edit, and you can type, you can add punctuation as needed. Once you make any changes that you need to the script, you simply publish your edits. And now you'll see this blue button here says that your subtitles are published. So when you go back in, or when a student goes back in to view the video, all they have to do is select this closed captions button, and they'll be able to see those subtitles as well. Now, let's say you upload a video of your lecture and you log back into YouTube, you select subtitles, and you don't see that English automatically published line. There are a number of reasons why this could be happening. Number one, it could be you didn't give your video enough time to process and they haven't yet been generated, or your video is too long and the size is just too large for it to auto-generate. Don't worry if this happens. There are other options to add subtitles, and I'm going to walk you through that now. So this next line that you see where it says English United States video language published by creator, that line is automatically created when the video is uploaded. And you'll see here under the subtitles column a button that says add. So if you click add, you'll be brought to another page that allows you to manage the subtitles and closed captions. And it will give you 3 different options. The first option is uploading a file, which is simply uploading a text transcript or timed subtitles file that's already created. The next option is transcribe and autosync. This allows you to type or paste a full transcript of the video, and subtitle timings will be set automatically. And then last is create new subtitles or closed captions. This allows you to create subtitles or closed captions by typing them in as you watch the video. If I record a video and the captions are not automatically generated, my method of choice is transcribe and autosync. To select the method that you'd like to use, all you need to do is click the button. You'll then be brought to the page that allows you to transcribe and auto-sync. So with this method, you need to type everything that's spoken into the video and then click Set Timings, and that will actually automatically line up your text with the speech in the video. There are a number of options that make this very easy, such as pausing the video while typing, so you can prevent yourself from having to play and pause. And I'll just give you a brief example here. Good morning, everybody. This is an example of how you can use Blackboard Collaborate to record. As you can see, anytime I started to type, the video would automatically pause, which makes it really easy to type your captions without going back and forth. If you need to make changes or edits, you can certainly do that as well. Once you've completed your transcript and you're satisfied with it, go ahead and click the Set Timings button. Once you've selected the Set Timings button, you'll be brought to this page that allows you to manage subtitles and closed captions. You'll see that currently published are the automatic captions, but in the instance that those were not automatically there and we typed a transcript, you'll see this item here that says My Drafts. Go ahead and click that button. On this next screen, you'll see the transcription that you just typed, including the punctuation and the automatically generated timings. What you can do now is select the play button and listen to your video and read the captions to make sure they're accurate. Good morning, everybody. This is an example of how you can use Blackboard Collaborate to record your own lectures without actually having students in the Collaborate room. Once you're happy with the captions and everything is timed correctly, click the Publish button. Your new subtitles will now be published. This is the last step for adding captions. As you can see, we went through every step, beginning with recording your lecture within Blackboard Collaborate, downloading your video file, uploading to YouTube and publishing to your channel, as well as adding subtitles. Thank you so much for tuning into this tutorial, and please do not hesitate to reach out to our department if you have any questions about the process.